Your name?
Lori Hinkle.
You smell of alcohol, I'm told, Ms. Hinkle. Are you
I
drunk?
was drinking last night.
Are you drunk?
No.
We're gonna give you a PBT, okay? You're gonna, my court officer is going to administer a PBT to you.
I
So,
was drinking till.
ma'am,
Go ahead and see the hallway.
we're gonna administer a PBT to you.
Go ahead and see the
And
hallway.
then you'll go out and, so that goes to the prosecutor. That's the PBT. People against the law. You're drunk.
Well said. I got still.
You said no, sir. What's your name? Tell me your name.
My name's Lori Hinkle.
You got a .166 on the PBT.
I was drinking till 4:01 and I didn't. Hell, that I couldn't do that was.
You're still drunk.
No, it was.
Man, we've got a .166. Who drove here?
My friend.
Who's- Is this the guy here? Did he drive?
Sir Raymond President.
Slow down.
President.
What?
of the United States.
Hang on a second. Who-
So the 11th cousin to the United States President,
What's his name?
Sir Ronald Raymond Hamilton. The cousin to the President. Hamilton.
You right?
Yeah.
The President of the United States?
Yes,
The President right now?
yes, sir.
He's shaking his head no. Why is he shaking his head no? If he's not the President, why you
No, he's not president, he's the 11th cousin.
11th cousin? He's shaking his head no. That he's not the 11th cousin. And honestly, I don't care if he's the brother of the president. It's not going to help you, so I don't need to hear this. What I do want you to know, if you show up for court again drunk, we're going to have a big problem. I'm going to reschedule your case. Sir, you cannot let her drive. Do you understand?
Thank you, Judge McNally.
Well, you know, you gotta,
Pledge allegiance.
I'm sorry,
Pledge allegiance.
pledge allegiance? Is that what you said?
Yes.
I'm going to justify me.
Just relax. Heather, give me another date, will you please? I should probably have you locked up until you go down. Give me another date.
We can do February 18th at 9:45.
Come on up here, sir. What is your name?
My name is Ron Hampton.
Did you drive her here?
Yes, I did. In fact, I'm an alcoholic. She got up.
Do you live with her?
She stayed with me last night. She asked me 2 days ago if I'd come with her. So really happened. She left my house when she got
Is she gonna have access to a motor vehicle?
no. Not have anything.
Do you own a motor vehicle, ma'am?
That's
Does she?
a 2010 Ford Focus,
She owns it.
light gray.
Well, hang on a second. You just told me she didn't have access. If she owns a motor vehicle, how does she not have access to the vehicle?
I picked him last night.
Go down the hall, get your new date. It's going to be February 18th
February 18th.
at 9:45 in the morning.
You can 45 an hour, no alcohol.
Don't show up drunk. Don't show up after consuming alcohol.
Okay, sir.
We understand?
Okay.
Sure. I'm gonna let her go. I'm gonna trust you're not gonna give her those keys.
Thank you. I'm trying to get her into a treatment center for alcoholism.
All right, let's not have any further discussions here, okay?
Okay.
That's what I'm gonna do. Do not drive. Do you understand?
Yes,
Do not drive. Do you understand?
yes,
Sir,
Go down the hall. They'll give you a notice. Thank you. People against Lori Gase Hinkle, 26W84113008 and B.
Good morning, Judge. Madison Gates, on behalf of the Supreme Court.
Your name, ma'am?
Little game,
All right, counsel, for purposes of,
We'll send you waiver.
all right, and now she's going to plead to operating while visibly impaired. The super drunk will be dismissed, and she's also going to plead to,
The B charge was dismissed.
okay, and then they're dismissing the improper lane use as well, correct?
Yes,
If you plead to impaired, ma'am, the possible penalties are up to 300 fines, 93 days jail, 360 hours community service costs, or all of those. 4 points, license suspension, revocation in accordance with your record. And your vehicle could be or might have to be immobilized depending upon your record. You understand that?
yes, I did.
And did you sign an advice of rights form here today and read it and understand it?
Yes, I did.
If you plead guilty, you'll be giving up all those rights and we're not going to have a trial. Do you understand that?
Guilty.
no.
I didn't ask you that.
You understand, when you show the plea, that you're giving up the rights, and the advice of rights.
Do you understand what I said? Do you?
Well, the-
If you plead guilty to operating while impaired, you're giving up all the rights on this advice of rights form and we're not going to have a trial. Do you understand that?
yes,
All right. Is that what you want to do?
yes,
To the charge operating while visibly impaired, how do you wish to plead?
guilty.
Were you operating a motor vehicle on Van Horn near Hall Road in the city of Flat Rock? I'm sorry, in the city of Woodhaven on January 5 of 26.
Yes,
Prior to driving that vehicle, operating that vehicle, did you consume alcohol?
yes.
What did you drink and how much?
I was drinking beer,
How many beers?
about 2 to 3 beers, always.
Regular beer?
Well, it was ice. It was ice beer and a lot of water content. So
Okay, slow down. Keep your voice up. I didn't hear a word you said. How much did you drink?
about 2 to 3 beers.
And what kind of beers were they?
They were ice beers.
I don't know what an ice beer is.
Just got water alcohol.
How big was the beer?
It's just a little bit bigger than a 12.
So like a 16 ounce?
It was 4.
They call it a tall boy, Judge.
All right, so 24 ounce, you had 2 of them? I'm sorry?
2 to 3.
2 to 3, maybe 3 or 4? No?
No,
And then you operated the vehicle, right?
yes,
And was your ability to operate that motor vehicle impaired because of the consumption of the alcohol? And if so, in what way?
yes. I was swerving.
You think you were swerving at least in part because of your alcohol consumption?
Yes,
Did you take a breathalyzer test or a blood test?
yes,
Which?
You did a rough one.
All right, an intoxicator test. And were the results of that 0.166?
yes.
You-
Actually, Judge, that was the PBT. The breathalyzer came in at 0.21.
Okay, and you stipulate one reading was an accurate reading for purposes of the plea?
Yes,
Are you on probation or parole, ma'am?
No,
Anybody in the world force you to plead guilty?
no,
Plea is accepted to that charge. I find it to be an accurate plea, made voluntarily and understandingly. The plea is accepted. To impaired driving, I'm dismissing on motion to prosecutor the improper lane use and the operating while it's actually a super drunk charge, so I'll dismiss that. Motion to prosecutor. I'm going to order a screening and assessment, and I'm going to set a bond. I'm going to set a $1,000 personal bond. I am mindful of the fact that you showed up to court drunk. That tells me that somebody has a problem. I'm going to order, she showed up to court the last time drunk, where I couldn't even arraign her because she had a 166. That's why I read that. I forgot about that being the result on the previous PBT. No contact with prosecution witnesses. I want you going to AANA 3 times a week. We're going to hand you a form. You have to go in person. Every time you go, you have to have the form signed. No alcohol. no illegal drugs, no marijuana. And you are to be on a sober link device by the end of the day. That's a breathalyzer machine, essentially, ma'am. Probation's going to explain it to you. You're going to be on, ma'am, I want you to listen to me. You're going to go out to Macomb today or Macomb County and get a sober link, and you have to do it by the end of the day. You understand me? Yes?
Yes.
AA 3 times a week in person. You understand that?
Yes, may I add something?
Sure.
I'm on the list for Oakdale to go into alcohol, residential.
Well, that's great. But you're going to, in the meantime, you're going to get this sober link device, and I'm going to expect to be blown in that machine in the lesson until I change the bond. Okay? Give me a screening and sentencing date, and you're going to go next door, probation, fill out a questionnaire and be interviewed. We'll give you a sentence date. If you're still in Oakdale, we can do it on Zoom. So you'll have to stay in touch with this, okay? Or I could set this out 4 weeks if you want, Heather.
We could do that, Judge. If you want to go to the 18th, we could do it at 8:30.
March, what? 18th
18th? Yes.
at 8:30. That will be your sentencing date. Do you fully understand everything I've just said?
It's a lot to, it's a lot to absorb.
No alcohol, no drugs, no marijuana. You're going to AA 3 times a week in person. You're going to go figure out where you're going to go. Probation's going to explain it to you. Listen, you're going to get a SoberLink device. You have to be on a SoberLink device that you are blowing into by the end of the day. Do we understand one another? Do you understand?
Right.
Yes?
Yeah.
And no contact with prosecution witnesses. So you go down the hall, get your notice, go over to probation. They'll explain where you have to go to get your SoberLink, okay?
And Judge, I'm also printing up a register, and it will have everything she needs to do on there, and I will highlight it for her so she understands it.
Thank
You
you.
can go to probation, once you come here, you can go to the social.
Are you all right? You all right?
Yeah, I'm just nervous.
All right. I mean, you have a reason to be nervous after showing up drunk last time. Do I have
Lori Gainful.
are you intoxicated?
No, Master.
Does she smell of alcohol? I don't want to put you in that position. Okay. She was drunk once when she came in here. I want to make sure. Are you good to proceed?
Yes.
You live in Flower, right?
I'm currently living in Dearborn Heights. I got evicted from Flat Life. I have a P.O. box.
And do me a favor. Will you look at the court to school day, March 26th, and make sure I only have one participant so far? I'm going to ask Mr. Crawford.
Judge, it looks like, I'm sorry, you
That's okay.
have 2 so far?
You want to be the third man? I have to have defendants sentenced at a school. It's more embarrassing. I'm not going to lie to you. There's only a couple of people in there right now. I'm going to do it at Shoemate Elementary School. Or Shoemate, yeah, it's Shoemate Middle School. If you would be so kind, I would like you to come back and do it on March the 26th at the middle school. I'm not going to make an example of you. It's going to be junior high kids. I need one more participant, but I need to know also, Mr. Crawford, that you can do that.
March 26th, correct?
That's a week from
I
tomorrow.
believe Mr. Crawford's already committed with one of his clients to attend.
Yes.
Do you mind doing that, ma'am?
No,
You won't let me down and not show up, will you? I need you to, so we're gonna do this court to school. It's gonna be March the 26th at Shoemate Elementary. What time do we start that?
9 a.m.
We're starting at 9, so give them a notice for 8:30, okay? I need you to get there and read the report with your lawyer. I really appreciate you doing this. I will give you credit for anything thing that I'm going to impose, like court work or community service or the like, okay? So you'll go down the hall, get your notice, and we'll give you a map too if you want. Give her a map too, if you would, Amy. Thank you very much.
Thank you.
I appreciate it. Good luck. Thanks, Mr. Crawford. And leasing.